I'm working on here is a 2008 Chevy Impala, and I'm going to replace the battery. I put a battery tester on here, and it is at 5% health. We'll show you how to take it out. First thing we're going to do is remove this crash bar here. It's a 13 millimeter. We have a little wiring harness zip tied on there. We'll just put that off to the side. Now we're going to go and take and remove the battery clamps. We're going to start with the negative first and then go and do the positive.
Out. Yeah.
Can you go to AutoZone, Jim, and will they check your battery health?
Yeah.
You can just.
How much does it cost?
Free.
Oh, really?
So if anything like that happens, instead of just waiting it for it to totally die,
Yeah.
be proactive.
You, Oscar.
On the side of the battery here on the bottom, there is a little hold down clamp. Oh, it's kind of dark in there. I'll see if I can get camera to focus on it. We'll go ahead and remove that bolt there and take that clamp out. So this is your battery hold down clamp. This connects into the side of your battery to hold it from bouncing around. Just got to turn the battery and then pull it up. Okay, we've got a new battery. We're going to take a little battery terminal cleaning brush, clean the terminals out, and then we'll put our new battery in, put the hold down clamp on, put our battery terminals on, put our crash piece back on. Any batteries have a little plastic tab. You need to take that off. Go ahead and clean these terminals up. If you don't have one of these, a little piece of sandpaper will work as well. Okay, we'll put our battery in. Pull these out of the way. Slide it down in, then we got to turn it. Take our little battery hold down clamp, go ahead and put that down there. Okay, the bolts go out counterclockwise and go in clockwise. Okay, we'll hook our battery terminals up. We're going to put our positive, that is our red one, on first, and then our negative. Might be a little spark when you first put it on, so put your safety squints on.
Oh my God, Jim. Danger.
Bigger bolt goes in the back. Two smaller ones in the front.
Just turn it back on?
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Thank the Lord.
All right, get that car over here so we can go to school.
Yeah. It's fine, Mom. Then I can spend a minute with the baby while he's doing that.